this Ukrainian or Russian?
Job kind of same.
Борщ?
Yes, полевая каша.
Полевая каша.
Каша, да, да. Хочешь попробовать?
Ой.
Давай, сейчас ложку сполоснем, все это для Аполлоник. Попробуй. Хочешь? Не, ну чего ты? Ну мы же ему. Ты потравливаемся. Кушаю.
Так.
Хочешь попробовать?
Вот кому-то дадите. Пожалуйста, я поняла. До свидания. Да. Удачи вам. Удачи. Спасибо.
Надя? Надя?
Да, вона добра
Надя?
собака.
Вона добра,
Очень
так.
красиво.
Любить уже нас постійно.
Добре.
So much stuff in few months, more stuff I did in years. I think it's same for everyone. You just come, like I say, like most of people just come with nothing, just a backpack and nothing. Even like some people come with no military experience, driver license, anything. And if you come back 2 months after, they have a job, they have a volunteer job or like real job.
Now, you told me why you came, but I don't think it's the real reason why you came.
In Ukraine?
Yeah, you came here because, like, it seemed because there was not much else to do. You were like, oh, I like Ukraine, and I like Ukraine too, but there's a lot of people that like Ukraine who aren't here right now.
And like I say, I wanted to live in Ukraine for 2 years because, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't say I was hating my life in France, but I was not really happy of. I had a good job, a nice apartment, girlfriend, okay, everything I need, but I wasn't happy. I couldn't really figure out why, but I think now it's because I didn't have a real, like something that making me wake up in the morning.
A purpose.
Yeah, a purpose. I didn't really know what to do, and I was just doing a job for money and that's all. In France, when you work, you just work for yourself. You work for making money for yourself, to buy stuff for yourself. I think it's in the Western society. It's everything about you. In Ukraine, there's really a group feeling. It feels like Ukraine is a big team, and so every work you do, you feel like you actually help. You help the team. You help the Ukrainian to win the war, and it's a very great feeling. Probably way better than any personal feeling, and I think you can see that very easily when you see all those rich people in West, and they are all smiling on camera, but you read after that they all are in depression and stuff. And in Ukraine, everyone I know, all volunteers, most of them, like me, we sleep on the ground on sleeping bags, and we don't have any money. We eat food in gas station, and it's kind of a nomad life. But every volunteer I talk with, they are all very happy of what they do. They for nothing they will stop, and I think that's amazing feeling.
What? Найди мені чоботи, йоки.